Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link CapCut to TikTok. Keep watching the video till the end. To link your CapCut to TikTok, firstly go ahead and launch open your CapCut application. Go ahead and make a project or else select any one of your project that you have previously made. After you're done editing, simply go and tap on arrow button at the top right corner of the screen. Select your frame rate, your resolution and tap on add to device. Once the video gets exported, you can see there is a button right below your video that says share to TikTok. If you want to link your CapCut to TikTok, you can simply tap on share to TikTok option. You will then directly be taken to TikTok application. Now tap on next button in order to upload a video on TikTok. Make any kind of changes if you want to. Post the video, and that's how you can easily link CapCut to TikTok quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.